I should go to the bathroom and wash my face. I still can't keep my eyes open. The phone on the counter. Who will be calling me? Hello?
Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
I'm sorry. You must have the wrong number.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son?
No, I'm sorry. You must have the wrong number.
Are you prepared to give your life to save your son?
I'm sorry. You must have the wrong number. Goodbye. I think you slept in long enough. It's time to get Jason up. Jason, it's time to get up. Jason? Jason? Where are you, Jason? Jason! Jason! Jason, where are you, Jason? Jason! 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 Jason. How can I forget that the son I love is lost because of me? Oh shit.
JAASSON.
It's so fucking windy, like.
Here is Ben Day's humiliation.
Let me see. What? What the fuck?
Girl, look at that body.